Welcome back to another wig install video. I'm super excited for this one. I mean, look at this braided wig. You would never know that it's a wig. So starting off, they gave me some wig caps. Love that. Also some lashes, and here is the wig. It's like a burgundy color and I love it. I love the triangular knots, and there's a band there as well. And look at these cute little clips I can add to them. So I'm super excited for that. And first off, this is just a personal preference, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the clips. And this is me realizing that it's a full lace cap. Yeah, I was excited. Next, I'm just gonna take my lace tint and go ahead and tint all of the lace. And I'm just trying it on after I did that, and then I realized, okay, this is a full lace, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit more than I do to my usual wigs. And I decided to just go ahead and take the whole cap off altogether, and I'm already liking it, seeing what styles I can do with it and everything. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and spray down my got to be. Now that I'm just getting that down and secured, I'm gonna go ahead and put my band on. And usually I let this sit for a while, but 10 minutes will do. So there, I set a timer and I'm just scrolling on my phone. And now the time is up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that strap off, and some of the glue was kind of stuck. So now I'm just cutting off all of the lace. Now I'm taking my handy dandy toothbrush and just fixing up these edges. I did cut them down a bit because the baby hairs were just too long for my liking. So I got some gel, and that's what you see me doing here, just fixing up the edges and making it look more presentable. And there's my sister playing in it, and now my mom's playing in it. She was doing my edges for me, and my sister had to join in on the occasion. And I did a little half up moment, and might I say, was really cute. I was loving this wig. Baby hairs, everything looks so natural. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do one of my favorite styles, which is space buns. So you're gonna see how cute this turns out as well. I can't wait to wear this wig out and about and get questions of who did my hair, and me tell them, girl, me, this is a wig. I mean, look at that, how freaking cute. Obviously feeling myself, and even down it's cute. So there I am taking some selfies for Instagram on my phone because I was just feeling it that much. That's how you know it's cute. And now I'm just gonna add those accents, which is those gold little pieces that were included with the wig. I did not know they were gonna send me that, but I'm so grateful because it just added another layer of cuteness to this wig. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it up to go to bed, and that's it. I'll see you on my next wig install. Let me know in the comments what color I should do next.